Hello and welcome to the RZN Auto channel. Today, we're diving deep into a stunning new release that's already turning heads, the 2026 Kia Sportage Hybrid. This isn't just a minor update. Kia has truly shocked us with a redesigned look and some impressive power upgrades, making it a serious contender in the compact SUV market. Get ready to explore every detail of this exciting new vehicle. Let's start with the exterior, and trust me, it's a bold statement. The front fascia of the 2026 Sportage Hybrid gets a completely fresh look. Gone are the old boomerang-shaped LED DRLs, replaced with striking, more vertical headlights featuring Kia's star map light signature and distinct amber DRLs, a nod to the popular Telluride. The grille is now larger and more rectangular, giving it a chunkier, more conventional yet aggressive presence. Down below, the front bumper has been fully redesigned with fog lamps neatly integrated at the outer edges of the central intake, completing the assertive front-end aesthetic. Moving to the side, changes are subtle but effective. You'll notice new alloy wheels with geometric patterns, reminiscent of Kia's EV lineup, adding a modern touch. The overall profile remains sporty and dynamic. At the rear, the star map signature extends to the redesigned taillights, offering a clean and sophisticated look. The rear bumper also gets a refined, updated appearance that perfectly complements the new front end, and a subtle silver trim line connects the tail lamps, elevating the premium feel. Step inside the 2026 Sportage Hybrid and you're greeted by a significantly refreshed cabin. The dashboard has been redesigned and now boasts dual 12.3-inch curved displays, creating a seamless and expansive digital experience. This new setup eliminates the smaller 8-inch screens from before and integrates Kia's latest connected car navigation cockpit system, offering improved visuals and enhanced functionality. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are now standard, ensuring effortless smartphone integration. For the driver, there's an available 10-inch head-up display, projecting crucial information like navigation directly into your line of sight, minimizing distractions. The front seats are comfortable, with available heated and ventilated leather options, and the driver's seat often includes power adjustments with memory settings. The Squircle steering wheel adds a unique touch, and the center console is well appointed with physical controls for climate and seating, 2 cup holders, a wireless charging pad, and convenient USB-C ports. In the rear, passengers will appreciate ample headroom and adequate knee room for average-sized adults, with reclining rear seats featuring suede-like upper sections for added comfort. A panoramic sunroof brightens the cabin, and a center armrest with cup holders enhances practicality. Cargo space remains generous, providing versatility for all your adventures. Under the hood, the 2026 Sportage Hybrid sees some welcome enhancements. It continues to utilize Kia's efficient 1.6-litre turbocharged hybrid engine paired with an electric motor. This powertrain now produces a combined output of 231 horsepower, a modest but noticeable increase of 4 horsepower. This boost translates to a mild improvement in responsiveness, both in city driving and on the highway. For those seeking even more power, the plug-in hybrid PHEV variant is also available, now delivering 268 horsepower. All-wheel drive Sportage models now feature a new terrain mode, offering selectable settings for snow, mud, and sand, enhancing its capability across various driving conditions. The 2026 Sportage Hybrid also introduces advanced digital features like the digital key in premium trims, allowing you to unlock, start, and operate your vehicle using your smartphone or smartwatch. Upgraded driver assist technologies, including enhanced forward collision avoidance and highway driving assist 2 with lane change functionality, further elevate safety and convenience. The 2026 Kia Sportage Hybrid truly represents a significant leap forward in design, technology, and performance. With its stunning new look, refined interior, and improved powertrain, it's ready to make a big impact. What are your thoughts on this redesigned Sportage? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this detailed look, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the RZN Auto channel for more exciting car reviews and news. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.